if you hate taking your makeup off at night because it's just messy, all the water splashing everywhere, or you feel like you can never get it off, this routine though, try it. Try it, try it, try it. And again, this is what the towel looks like after removing my makeup. I had a full face of makeup on. There are stains. What you're gonna use is micellar water. I'm just finishing this one up before I refill with this new one from Garnier. Some type of disposable face paper towels. I use these Modest disposable face towels. Gentle foaming cleansing oil. This is like the real thing that's gonna pull the makeup off. And then just to double cleanse, I'm gonna use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. And I know it might not look like I have that much makeup on, but I have makeup on. So it's very important that you wet the towel because it's gonna help pull the makeup off your skin. I'm also just gonna wipe my wig off, which sounds crazy, but I take my wig off every night. Okay, so now we're gonna take this here. We're going to rinse it with hot water. And you'll see your towel is still dirty with makeup, but in a second, it'll be clear. La Roche-Posay Gentle Foaming Cleansing Oil. One big pump, and we're just gonna apply. And this is how you'll really get the makeup off. Okay, so it looks pretty white, but in my mirror, I can see like it's kind of brown. So we're just going to take the side that has the makeup still on it, and we're gonna put this all over our face to wipe off the oil and the extra makeup. And then watch this, guys. I'm gonna rinse this. And not all of it comes off, but a lot of that makeup comes off. I think the reason why not all of it comes off is because I use a liquid foundation. If you use a powder foundation, you will be shocked because your towel will literally be like clean. But for me to have wiped off most of my makeup, like a full face makeup, and this be all that's left, we're doing something here. And the best part is I did not have to throw water on my face rinse. And this is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser, and it's another gentle one. I'm just gonna do a little bit. And you know what? I'm just gonna apply a little bit of water to my hand just to get it sudsy, but I'm not having to like have a bunch of water running down. I don't have to put like the little thingy-mabobs on my hands to clean. This is like, you know what inspired this for me? Getting a facial. I realized that they're able to get your face clean without dunking your head in a bucket or dumping a bucket of water on your face. Pretty blown away. So I wanted to figure out how I could wash my face without it being such a, I don't want to say icky, but like annoying experience. Sometimes like I don't want to wash my face because I don't want to deal with the water dripping everywhere. I'm just using the same towel right now. I think just for demonstration purposes that I'm going to use like the cleaner side and just wipe all this off. All right, now this is all that's left. I'm going to step back so you guys can really see it. It's the first thing that's ran down my arm. I just washed a full face of makeup off, and this is what my cloth looks like. Yes, there is a stain still down here, but you guys saw this was full of makeup, so it got clean. Okay, now we're just taking this last clean side and wiping everything again to make sure it's all off. And then now I'm just gonna go in and do a little bit of skincare. This isn't like really the skincare video, so we're not gonna get into that. But so I want you guys to try this out. Of course, I'll link everything below, and I want to know if this works for you. That's all. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.